Are you wondering which banking app is better? Today, we are comparing Starling and Revolut. Both offer modern banking solutions, but they have their own unique features. Starling Bank is a UK based digital bank. It provides personal and business accounts with no monthly fees. You can easily manage your money through its user friendly app. Starling focuses on helping you save and budget. It even offers interest on your balance, which is a nice bonus. On the other hand, we have Revolut. This app started as a travel money solution but has grown into a full banking service. It allows you to hold multiple currencies and exchange them at real time rates. Revolut also includes features like cryptocurrency trading and stock investing. It's a great choice for people who travel a lot or want to explore different investment options. Now, let's look at the key differences. Starling is all about traditional banking services with a focus on savings and budgeting. Revolut shines with its global currency features and investment opportunities. If you need straightforward banking, Starling is the way to go. If you want more financial tools, consider Revolut. When it comes to features, both apps have solid mobile banking capabilities. Starling offers budgeting tools and spending insights. Revolut provides currency exchange and investment features. Depending on your needs, one may stand out more than the other. Regarding pricing, Starling has no monthly fees for standard accounts. Revolut has a free tier, but some features require a subscription. So think about what you need before making a choice. In conclusion, if you want simple banking, choose Starling. If you are interested in trading and travel, go for Revolut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.